Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard by Marriott Dulles Airport Herndon, Reston. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are airport shuttle, free parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly and a bar. This non-smoking hotel offers an on-site fitness center. It provides a boarding station to print airline information and dry cleaning services. Fair Oaks Mall is a 20-minute drive away. All rooms have deluxe bedding and fittings which include air conditioning and cable TV with plug-in panel. Each room has a large space with an ergonomic chair and access to electrical outlets. Courtyard by Marriott Dulles Airport Herndon, Reston's The Bistro serves local cuisines throughout the day. Guests can enjoy cocktails and light snacks for dinner. Courtyard by Marriott Dulles Airport Herndon, Reston is 20 miles away from Leesburg. Wolf Trap Park is less than 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.